all these years. No? My question is, what is your vision for Star Wars in relation to TV5?
My vision, it's to build an organization, much like the other organizations that we have come up with over the years. Make it a professional organization. That's a dream, actually. It's a dream that we have had for many years. And that's what we hope to do here in TV5. Hopefully, we build up to a core of artists that can provide TV5 a set of their own actors and actresses. And yeah, who knows? Maybe we go. They acquire the veneer and the sheen of really good stars, maybe superstars. You know, yun, parang ang vision na. At least yung vision ko.
Yeah. Thank you. They say that, with social media and all its platforms, creating and launching stars on their own in different platforms, how relevant is launching stars in the traditional television media?
I still believe in TV as a medium of entertainment and of creating stars. The challenge now is to even accommodate and share the process of finding people that excite the imagination of people everywhere. Ang mga sa social media, they have their own platforms.
Yeah.
They can do it by themselves.
Yeah.
But I would call what they do mga short form. Very short things. Sabi nga ni Andy Warhol, di ba,
15 minutes.
in the future, everybody will be famous for 15 seconds.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
ganun na nangyayari ngayon. 15 seconds. But TV, we hope to do traditional dramas, comedies, but maybe in a new way, in new ways, so that we don't bore the whole audience. About months ago, my daughter said that her kids were watching Buko Channel, ay mga comedy namin, Richard Gomez, mga batungan ng tubig.
Yeah.
And gusto nila yun somehow. Saka yung mga Panchito Dolphy. Ang ganda. So, baka nga may resurgence of ganun, that sense of comedy, maybe of drama. I still think we can contribute to the larger audience.
Yeah, and I think TV and mainstream media, for that matter, renders a sense of legitimacy to artists. No? One final question. Why did you leave GMA7?
Tito Nestor, ha?
Well, I had a contract with Seven for 3 years. 3 years, no? So I was there for 3 years. And for the most part, they treated me very well. I got along with Jimmy Duave, and si Mr. Yalo. Yeah, some of the executives there. Of course, Attorney Gozo. And, but after 3 years, they probably thought, and with very good reason, that they could handle things. We just wanted to find out if I could teach them something or deliver something already in addition to what they had there. And siguro tapos na yan.
Okay.
And even with me, sabi ko tapos na yan.
Oh, yan, tapos na. Okay. Okay na yun, Mr. M. Next question.
Hindi mo tinanong why did I leave the other channel?
Wala. Ikaw ba isusunod mo na, Mr. M?
Why not?
So, Bobby, Argentina. Next question from Tito Bobby.
Hi, Mr. M. Magandang hapon.